Aloha everyone, my name is Sugano. You're watching Sugano Pro. We're gonna do some mild off-road adventure today, so stick around. Thanks for watching Sugano Pro. My name is Sugano, and before I forget, click that subscribe button or hit that like, and maybe one day I'll be able to monetize on this channel. But until then, it's not monetized, so any drone footage is not for commercial purposes, so there you go. We are on our way to go a little mild off-roading. My buddy Shawn Kellogg and I are going out. He's gonna break in, I think he's breaking in his brand new Jeep Rubicon. I have my full arsenal of cameras. I have my GoPro Hero 8, my Hero 10 for some slow-mo footage, and I got my old classic Hero 4. That was the first one that my brother and his wife got for me, and it's been a great little camera. It's kind of our stunt camera, and you know, got it attached to the window at the moment. It's not rolling, but yeah, so brought that along, as well as my Blackmagic 6K Pocket Cinema Pro and lenses, and then I have my Mavic or DJI Mini 2. I think that's what it is. Anyway, so we'll get a lot of footage today, and we hope you enjoy it. We're heading out to some mild trails. Again, Shawn Kellogg doesn't want to destroy his brand new Jeep Rubicon. I've already come up with the nickname of the Blue Ruby. I don't know if he'll like that. But of course, we're in the Spicy Taco. And this road, it's one I've seen for many, many years and never really considered taking it because you know, driving a Toyota Celica or a Honda Civic or even my Toyota Sienna, I never considered going on this adventure. Oh, it looks like Shawn is pulling over. All right, well, let's see what he has to say. Oh. So this is Shawn Kellogg, and we've known each other for a very long time, since 99? Wow, yeah. Wow.
Long time.
So Shawn, I'll tell you that I've already nicknamed your vehicle. You probably have a name for it. What's the name for your, do you have a name for it?
Ruby Blue.
Oh, wow, wow. I was really close. I was calling it Blue Ruby, so...
Oh, that's yeah, so funny, yeah.
Yeah, Ruby Blue, wow, wow. Okay.
That is funny, yeah, that's the name that Michelle and I came up with.
Yeah, so. Okay, so I'm not far off. I was thinking, okay, Rashawn's not gonna like that, but hey, Blue Ruby, Ruby Blue, so there we go. We got Ruby Blue over here. And you want to tell us about Ruby Blue?
Sure.
Brand new.
Brand new, 2022 Rubicon. It's replacing my beloved 2008 red Sport Wrangler, which had 150,000 miles and a lot more problems than that.
Yeah, nice. So you have this, it's a hard top that you can remove.
Yep, removable hard top. It actually comes off in pieces, so
pieces.
These front two pieces can come off, so I can leave this part on, which is not heavy but very awkward to do by yourself, but these come off very, very easily.
Wow, and look at the, has that new Jeep smell and all of the new modern features of with a little navigation and entertainment console and room for 4. They got a crawl back there. This over the Wrangler was built more for off-roading. I mean, Jeeps are kind of built for off-roading anyway, but this one's more so, right?
Yeah, the Rubicon has got it's a little bit more. I don't do a lot of crazy off-roading, mostly just dirt roads and a few bumps here and there, but it has front and rear lockers, so I can lock the front or rear axles to get a little bit more traction, a little bit more grip on the road. And it also has a sway bar disconnect, which allows the Jeep to flex a little bit more on uneven terrain. Just makes for a smoother ride. Helps make it a little bit more stable when you're out on some rough roads.
Wow, so is that just a design thing, or?
Oh, the little Jeep? Yeah, they do a couple of little things to have fun with it. They'll put like little Jeep icons there. There's also one up here on the windshield.
Oh wow, a little tiny, like it's, yeah, driving up the side there.
And then right up front here, I guess the Easter eggs as they call them, the headlights have got the grill of the Jeep.
Wow. Huh.
So yeah, they know us Jeep people are dork people, so
yeah, designers having fun there.
Yeah.
All right, Shawn.
All
well,
right.
let's hit the trails.
Ready to put her on some dirt roads.
And we got the wildlife refuge here.
Yeah, this is the Corn Creek Wildlife Refuge, and in the back there's like a spring, like a little nature preserve area.
Okay.
So if you want to check that out, we can.
And that's all right.
It's just water.
It's just water in the desert. All right, so what's this called again? Corn Creek?
This road is Corn Creek Road.
Corn Creek Road.
The trail we're going on, which is just right here, we're going to make a couple of turns. It's called Mormon Well Road.
Mormon Well Road.
And it'll take us eventually all the way over, it's about 40 miles to 93, Highway 93, which will take us back into Vegas from the east side. We're coming from kind of like the northwest side. But we'll probably just get to where it stops being interesting, turn around and come back this way.
All right, well, cool, Shawn, let's do it.
All right.
All right, here we go. And remember, everyone, respect nature, clean up after yourselves, don't leave garbage. Leave it better than you found it. Travel at your own risk. No shooting for the next 47 miles. I wonder if that means I should turn off the camera. No shooting, I get it. And that's a little videographer humor. We're in the yucca forest, which is pretty cool. You can see we have a lot of yuccas around us here. Now, I don't know the difference between yucca and Joshua trees, or maybe I do, but I always get them a little confused, or maybe because, oh, you know what, Joshua trees I think have bigger, I don't know what you would call them, fronds, and yuccas have tighter, more pine cone, not pine cone, but like pineapple, little branches and leaves. While I have a chance here, I want to give a shout out to my friend JC Fernandez, who has his own YouTube channel, Cars, Shops, and Collections. Be sure to watch and subscribe to his channel, where he talks about everything cars. He loves cars. He's got a Dodge Challenger, but he likes classic cars and talking about them. Maybe I'll get to be a guest on JC's channel someday, or maybe he'll be a guest on my channel someday, and we'll talk about why he does what he does. Because yeah, he's a really cool guy. He is also a radio personality with Mercedes in the Morning, and he and Mercedes Martinez, they are both friends of mine, and I miss working with them, but you know, once a friend, always a friend, and I keep in touch with them from time to time. If you've never gone trail driving or off-roading, I highly recommend that you go with a friend. Don't go by yourself in case you get stuck, in case you need a friend to bail you out or to drive you to safety, because you never know what you might encounter some crazy wildlife or maybe some crazy people, and we don't want that. So we're pulling over here, maybe just to chat and enjoy the view. Maybe I'll grab out the old drone. So talk a little bit about why you like going out off-roading and doing these trails.
Yeah, just to escape. You know, it's cheaper than therapy. You know, it's not really, but no, it's just I just love to get out and, you know, be away from, you know, the crowd to the city, and, you know, like and 45 minutes away from the city, and you feel like you're
a deer. Or no, that's not a deer. Is that a bighorn?
Where?
See it?
Oh yeah, way up there.
Yeah, there's two. There's one looking right at us and there's one walking. The thing about off-roading, especially if you have a brand new vehicle, is that it's going to get scratched and you just have to grin and bear it, because that's going to happen. And if you want to keep your vehicle pristine and Instagram ready, well then don't drive it at all. That's what it's all about, you know, seeing all of this great outdoors. Going the road less traveled, literally, right? And bumps. But let me show you what it looks like on the side here. So Shawn was giving me an option to either go out the way we came in and enjoy the scenery again, or to push on to less exciting terrain and get to the freeway back to Las Vegas. And I chose to go to the freeway because, quite honestly, I mean, I've had fun, but I'm ready to be on a smooth surface and make back home. Ooh, this is... Ooh! Ooh! Okay. That was an interesting sound. Alright, that concludes our trip, everybody. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you had fun, and I hope you subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up, make some comments, help me improve my channel. And, you know I'm all over the place. I have the Tacoma series and my lightsaber series, my What's in My Arsenal series for camera gear, and also the educational stuff about Hawaiian culture, Japanese culture, and anyway, I want something for everyone. I don't want to have just one thing that I do. So anyway, thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. I'm Gene Sugano, and this is Sugano Pro.